Hello children, welcome back to Shet Vidya Mandir audio video lesson. I am your Miss Nilofer and today we are going to learn something very interesting. But before we start, I am going to play a small game with you. This game is known as Simon Says. So I am going to give you an instruction and I want you all to follow that instruction unless and until I say Simon stop. So you have to follow the instruction. So I hope all of you are ready. I hope all of you are ready. Let us start. So first, Simon says clap. Okay, stop. Simon says to stand up. Okay. Simon says sit down. Simon says to walk towards your left. Stop. Simon says to walk toward your right. Stop. Simon says to jump front or jump forward. Okay. Simon says jump backward. Okay. Simon says come near your phone or your TV. Okay. Simon says stop. So children, I hope you enjoyed this small game. Now children, when we were playing this game, can you tell me what type of instruction did I give you? Yes, I asked you to jump forward, to move to your left, right, to sit down, to stand up. Children, all these words like left, right, front, back, up, down are words related to direction. And since you know how to follow this word, today you are going to learn more about this word in a S.S.t lesson, direction. Children, there are four main directions: east, west, north, south. Children, do you all see sun in the morning? Yes, children, the sun is a star which help us finding the direction. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. So children, morning when you see the sunrise, that means the sun have risen from the east. And in the evening when you see the sunset, that means the sun is going to set in the west. Children, direction help us to know the location of a place. For example, you are staying at Anbari Road and you have to come to your school. So directions will help us to come to school in a proper way or safely. Children, it is very important for us to know the direction to find our way. The words like front, back, behind, up, down, top, below, under, left, right, near, etc. help us to explain the direction correctly. For example, my house is in front of the school. That means I stay in front of the school. So the word help us to know the direction of the place where I stay or where the school is. Or you can also say, my school is near to Dimar. That means your school is somewhere near the Dimar. So children, all these words help us to find direction. Now children, look carefully at this picture. You can see it's written east, west, north, south. You can also see a boy standing and you can see a sun. Now children, with the help of this, I am going to show you how you are going to find a direction by your own self. So, can you see the boy is facing toward the sun? That means he is looking at the sun. So children, in the morning, when you're standing and you're looking at the sun, that means your front is known as east, your back will be the west, and your left side will be the north and your right hand side will be the south. Now see again, you can see this boy, the front is east, back is west, the left side is north and the right side is the south. So children, repeat after me. If you face the sun, the front will be the east, behind you will be the west, to the left will be the north, and to the right will be the south. Children, if we learn this, it is very easy for us to stand at any place and to learn the direction. You can do it in front of yourself. Come on, let us do a small experiment. You are holding a phone or a TV in front of you, okay? For example, this screen is your sun. So you're facing the sun now. So this is your east. Your back is going to be your west. Very good. Now children, where is your left hand? Yes, so your left is the north and your right is the south. Children, every time if you are lost somewhere or you need to know the direction of the place, whether it lies in east, west, north or south, you can do this trick and find out the direction. Children, we just now learned how to find direction by looking at the sun. But children, the direction on a map is little different. Children, always on a map, the north is shown at the top. Now children, here you can see a map. Yes, which map it is? It is map of a country, India. Now see, pay attention. On the top, we always have north. On the bottom, we have south. On the right, we have east. And towards the left, we have west. So children, on the map, you have to always remember the top is north. The bottom is south. The right is east. And the left is west. Okay, children? Now children, this is map of a country. Now children, pay attention. The top, that means Jammu and Kashmir, the Himalaya region, is at the north. So children, the Himalaya lies to the north of India. Now, you see at the bottom, we have Kerala and Tamil Nadu. That means Kerala and Tamil Nadu is at the south. Now pay attention towards your right. We have Arunachal Pradesh. Children, Arunachal Pradesh, Bihar and all the other states are in our right. And states like Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh is in the west. I hope you have understood, and next time when you see the map, you will be able to identify where and which side a state belong to. Children, many of the scientists have made an instrument. Now you must be thinking, what is an instrument? So basically an instrument is like a gadget which help us to identify the direction. Now let us see what are the different types of instruments which help us to identify the direction. So first we have a compass. Now let me read it for you. An instrument called the compass is used to find the direction. The needle of the compass always points towards the north. Now children, this compass have a needle on it and it rotates everywhere whenever you go. But when you keep it stable, it will always point towards the north. So every time you're out on a trip, you have to carry a compass. So in case you're lost, you know which direction you are in. Children, a second instrument is a wind vane. Now Now children, wind. It tells us the direction of the wind. For example, when a wind is blown from right side, the cock on this wind wheel will show the arrow towards the right side or towards the west or towards the east. That means it is telling us from which direction the wind is coming. Is it coming from east, west, north or south? So always remember, wind wheel help us to identify the direction of the wind. The direction of the wind. Very good children. Okay children, so today we have learned different direction. Let us recall all the direction. So we have four main direction. Repeat after me. We have four main direction. That is east, west, north, south. Children, all these directions are very helpful for us. And as you grow old, you will learn the importance of this direction. Till then children, bye bye. Take care. See you.